Who among us doesn't want their eyelashes and eyebrows to stay thick? Today I made a very excellent recipe for you. The best thing is, it's natural and you can make it at home in any quantity you want. This recipe replaces the need for store-bought eyebrow and eyelash serums. It adds density, length, thickness, and heaviness. Everyone who sees you will ask what you use for your eyelashes and eyebrows. Before we get started, don't forget the recipe. And girls, 90% of the followers of my page are not subscribed, which really upsets me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and activate the bell button so you don't miss any recipes. Write to me below in the comments which country you're watching from. I want to know where most of you are from. Our first ingredient, as I told you, is cloves. Cloves are amazing for treating eyebrow loss, eyelash loss, lengthening, thickening, and giving a beautiful natural color. I put 2 small spoonfuls of cloves and started grinding them. You can grind them in a herb grinder or ask the shop to give them to you already ground. I'll start by putting the ground cloves into a bowl like you see here, but today's recipe has more ingredients, very powerful ones. Our second ingredient will surprise you. Half a small spoon of grated garlic. Yes, garlic. And don't worry, it won't harm your eyebrows or eyelashes. For eyebrows, it's completely normal. For eyelashes, you apply the serum on the upper lash hairs only, not on the roots. It's safe, and I've used it for over 5 years. Now, let's go ahead and add our oils. Today, I'm using rosemary oil, watercress oil, and a little bit of coconut oil. Of course, you can also use sesame oil, olive oil, or castor oil. I add 1 tablespoon of each, rosemary oil, olive oil, and a spoon of coconut oil. Castor oil gives the strongest results, but it's a bit heavier. Hair absorbs oils even from the ends. It doesn't have to reach the roots directly. The ends carry nutrients to the roots. Now mix everything together very well until it's fully combined. Store the mixture for 3 days in a dark, dry place. Make sure to cover it with a sealed bag and keep it away from light, water, and moisture. After 3 days, strain the mixture extremely well, using the narrowest strainer you have, so the serum is completely free of impurities. You'll notice the clean oil stays on top, and all the heavy parts settle at the bottom. We only need the oil. Use a cotton swab, ear stick, or clean mascara brush. Dip it into the oil and apply on your eyebrows and on the upper eyelashes only. You will see amazing results from the first use. More density, more fullness, and stronger hair. Use it 3 times a week and wash it off after 2 hours. Follow the technique exactly for the best results. I even reuse an old mascara tube and apply it every morning for 2 hours as part of my routine. This recipe truly makes a huge difference. Anyone who asks me about my eyelashes or eyebrows, I share this recipe with them. And that's our recipe for today.